Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit. This is the volatility report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Should not be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Consult a professional, financial professional if you have questions about stuff. So about options or investing. Hey, last day opportunity to take advantage of our Options Made Easy class. Class 5, which will be taught by me, is going to be next week. That'll be the final class, and then it'll go into our recording, our archived recordings, and the price will double. So just think about that. And so far, the reviews have been nothing short of spectacular. The reviews I have are real, and they are spectacular. So speaking of real and spectacular, how about this market? The S&P is tanking. The Dow is tanking. The NDX is tanking. Things are ugly. Everything is down. What is going on? Well, take a look at the VIX curve. VIX is 1818. October, which has a week to go still, so still some time, is now trading at a premium to November. And more importantly, November is now trading at a premium to DEES. When we see the curve go backward out to M3, month 3, that is a sign that they're starting to really get worried. The next step, December, I expect, because of seasonality, I expect to trade below Jan for a while. But watch for November to get over January. If that happens, that's a sign that we're in a full-out panic. At this rate and at the speed that we're moving, we've got this huge bar. But take a look. We've not touched the high of the day from the 8th yet. So look out for that. I think we're set up for a move to 20. So a little leg lower, and I think you could see the S&P get to 20 pretty quickly. Yeah, the S&P vol, the VIX, to go to 20. I'd also point out VVIX. It's now bananas high at 120. It has spiked. While VIX is not at its high, VVIX is at its highs. That's usually not a great sign. So take a look. VVIX is at highs we have not seen since August. So it is absolutely skyrocketing higher. Option prices in VIX are much higher. But there's still some decent opportunity out there. I mean, there's some trades to be made. Like the 20, this is a trade I have on in the fund. I mean, it's still only 55 cents to go long or less. It's still only about 50 cents to go long a butterfly in October if one needed to hedge. 53 cents. Yeah, and Apple, so you can see we've already moved a little bit off, but today looks like it's lined up for a seriously red day. There is, some roughness in bonds, and that is CPI data was real hot, and the market doesn't like it, and that's why we're lower. So I am going to be using this day and this opportunity to be looking at, some different opportunities to make some trades. At the highs of the day, I've got my butterfly on from yesterday that I did. Not a butterfly, straddle with put. I've got lots and lots of trades that I like. Even the financials, I would point, are maybe the area where there's some core strength. They have earnings coming up. We could see things kind of calm down as earnings season itself starts. But, the last time we had earnings season, we saw some roughness in and around it, probably dealing with some of that. On the day, I think that, I'm looking at, let me pull up Live Vol here. I want to point out SPX. I want to get a stock chart open. And I want to add on, here's kind of the year, and I want to add on a moving average. I mean, so the 100-day moving average is still, we're way through the 50. The 100-day moving average is 28.23. We still have a nice, 27 points to get there, and I'll bet you we touch. That's been a really good, the 100-day moving average, with the exception of kind of the March, April time where the 200 held, has been a really good hold. So I would point out that I think that there is certainly some potential downside from here. We're in free territory. We're either running back to the 50, which I don't think, or over the next day or two, we're gonna make a run at the 100. All right, folks. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.